How do you duplicate a workbook in Excel? Well, if you remember last chapter we talked about worksheets and we saw that we could duplicate worksheets and copy them and move them and whatever. So how do we do the same if we want to duplicate one of our Excel workbooks? Well, the answer is probably what you're thinking, and it's really quite simple. First way that you can duplicate a workbook is simply copying it in Windows Explorer. Just go to Windows Explorer, find your file, copy, and paste it into the same spot right here. And you're going to get another file which is called exactly the same, workbook copy 1, but it's going to say copy at the end. That's your duplicate workbook. And then you just rename it, for example, to workbook copy 2. Now, the other way that you can rename your workbook, simply save it under a different name. Go to File, Save As, click Browse, and then just save it, but before you save it, change the name so you don't overwrite the previous file. For example, let's call this one workbook copy 3. And now if we go back to Windows Explorer, we have workbook copy 3. These are exact copies of the original workbook, only they have different names. And it's that simple. That's how you duplicate workbook files in Excel. Nothing real complicated about them, and they're not linked with each other. If you do one thing to a copy 3, it's not going to affect copy 1, it's not going to affect copy 2. They're independent workbooks. Simply they contain the same data until, of course, you change it. Thanks for watching this video tutorial. If you liked the video, be sure to subscribe to our channel and to visit our website, cubicleoverlords.com, for more instructional videos like this one.